We've been having lots of fun with different variations on things. We thought we'd whip up a Passionfruit Mai Tai for you. And we're gonna start with some crushed ice. You can either have a fancy machine if you want to do that, or you can just put it in a towel like I did and beat the crap out of it. That's also a way. Shockingly, we're gonna use our passion fruit syrup for that. With all the syrups, just make sure to turn them over so that there's nothing on the bottom, so everything's back integrated into the syrup, because we use real things. So there's real things in the syrup. I'm gonna put a ½ ounce of passion fruit. And we're putting the passion fruit in this, this variation in place of the triple sec. We've got an Orgeat we don't actually have out yet, but we've been really proud of the recipe, and it'll be out within the next week or so. So depending on when you see this, it's coming sooner. It's been out forever. ½ ounce of that. Some fresh lime juice. A ½ ounce, I should say. And some rums. Traditionally or historically, the Mai Tai was made with a 17-year Ray and Nephew. That product no longer exists. And even in the 60s, I believe, Trader Vic switched to, well, even before he had his own branded line of rums, he did white and dark as a mixture to kind of take the place of the 17-year. We're gonna use Cruzan aged white, which is a 40% ABV or 80 proof white rum from Cruzan. The thing I like about it is that it is an aged white rum, which is historically important to me because that's how white rum as a category started. It started as an aged product that was then, the color was filtered back out. So you got this clear spirit that could compete with vodka and on the market, but also have a little more flavor to it. The barrel, what was left on the palate, gave it a little butter pad, hints of cinnamon and spice. So I like to use aged white rums when I can find them. And then for our dark rum, I like something with a little more funk on it. This is the Smith & Cross. It's a Jamaican style rum. It's from Haus Alpenz, and it's a Navy strength. So that means 57% ABV or 114 proof. What I really like about it is the nose. It's got a lot of funk on the nose, and that makes for a far more interesting drink. Find with a lot of these tropical cocktails, it's really important to bring little bits of interest to the palate and to the nose whenever you can. Otherwise, like if I just used kind of a boring dark rum, it'd be kind of a boring drink. So we want to avoid that. We're gonna stir that up a little bit and then top it with some more crushed ice. Now, if this was a traditional Mai Tai, I might garnish it with mint. It's not. I'm gonna give it a little lime wheel here. And a little straw. And there you go, a Passionfruit Mai Tai. Enjoy.